Hello viewers, welcome to Math Tech. I am Amit Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve all the questions of linear algebra from NBHM MA MSc Scholarship Test 2019. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 1. Let An be the real n cross n matrix where n is greater than equal to 2, whose entry in positions I, j is I minus j. What is the rank of An as a function of n? First, we need to know the following results to solve the question. Result number 1. A non-negative integer r is said to be rank of a matrix A if there exists a non-singular submatrix of A of order r. All the submatrices of A of order r plus 1 or more if they exist are singular. Result number 2. A matrix A is said to be in echelon form if the following two conditions hold. Number 1. All zero rows, if any, are at the bottom of the matrix. 2. Each leading non-zero entry in a row is to the right of the leading non-zero entry in the preceding row. Result number 3. If a matrix A is in echelon form, then number of non-zero rows in A is equal to rank of matrix A. Now, according to the statement, let us construct the matrix A, which is of the form this. To find the rank of matrix A, we have to convert the matrix into echelon form. First, interchange the row 1 and row 2. We get this matrix. Now, make all the elements below the leading element to be 0. We have to make another operations. R3 implies R3 minus 2 times R1. R4 implies R4 minus 3 times R1. And up to Rn implies Rn minus n minus 1 times R1. We get this matrix. Now, the next leading element is minus 1. We have to make all the elements below the leading element to be 0. For this, we have to choose the operation R3 implies R3 plus R2, R4 implies R4 plus 2 times R2, and so on. Rn implies Rn plus n minus 2 times R2. We get this matrix, which is in echelon form. The number of non-zero row in echelon form are 2. Hence, rank of matrix A is 2. Question number 2. Let M denotes the real 6 cross 6 matrix, all of whose off-diagonal entries are minus 1 and all of whose diagonal entries are 5. List out the eigenvalues of M. Each eigenvalue must be written as many times as its multiplicity. In order to find the solution, the following results are very useful. Result number 1. A square matrix A is said to be idempotent matrix if A square equal to A. Result number 2. Let A be a square matrix of order n and lambda is an unknown. The root of determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0 are known as eigenvalues, where determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0 is a characteristic equation. Result number 3. The eigenvalues of idempotent matrix are either 0 or 1. Now, according to the statement, let us construct the matrix M, whose all off-diagonal elements are minus 1 and all the diagonal elements are 5, which can be written as 6 times I minus A, where A is a 6 by 6 matrix whose all elements are 1. Let A is 6 times B, where B is idempotent matrix. So the eigenvalue of B are 0 or 1, implies eigenvalue of A are 0 or 6. Since the trace of A is 6, implies A has one eigenvalue 6 and 5 eigenvalue are 0. That is, A has eigenvalue 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 6. So the eigenvalue of 6i minus A are 6 minus 0, 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 and 6 minus 6. That is 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 0. Hence, eigenvalues of M are 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 0. Question number 3. Let S be the set of all 2 cross 3 real matrices, each of whose entry is 1, 0, or minus 1. There are 3 to the power 6 matrices in S. Recall that the column space of a matrix M in S is the subspace of R square. The vector space of 2 cross 1 real matrices spanned by the 3 columns of M. For 2 elements M and M dash in S, let us write M is equivalent to M dash. If M and M dash have the same column space, note that equivalent is an equivalence relation. How many equivalence class are there in S? The following results are very essential to learn in order to solve the question. Result number 1. A relation R on a set A is said to be an equivalence relation if and only if the relation R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Result number 2. Let A be a given set and an equivalence relation equivalent on A. The equivalence class of an element A belongs to A is the set X belongs to S such that X is equivalent to A of the elements which are equivalent to A. All the elements of the given matrix are 1, 0, and minus 1. Therefore, possible columns vector from the given matrix are A1, which is 0, 0, A2, 1, 0, A3, 0, 1, A4, 1, 1, A5, minus 1, 1, and A6 is minus 1 times AI, where I varies from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. Hence, the number of equivalence classes in S is 6. Question number 4. Let A be 4 times 5 real matrix. Consider the system AX equal to B of linear equations where X is a 5 times 1 column matrix of indeterminates and B is some fixed 4 times 1 column matrix with real entries. Given that A is a row equivalent to the matrix R below, which means that the rows of A are all linear combination of the rows of R and vice versa, and C and D below are both solution to Ax equal to B. What is the value of Y, where R is the matrix given this, C and D are given this? The following results are very essential to learn in order to find the solution. Result number 1. Every M cross N matrix A is row equivalent to a row reduced echelon matrix. Result number 2. Equivalent system of linear equations have exactly the same solutions. It is given that matrix A is a row equivalent to matrix R. Therefore, the system Ax equal to B and the system Rx equal to B have the same solution. It is also given that C and D both are the solution of Ax equal to B. Implies C and D both are the solution of Rx equal to B. Now, we have to multiply R with the solution C. We get the matrix having element minus 18, 5, 0, 0, 0. And R with the solution D, we get the matrix having element y minus 25, 5, 0, 0, 0. From equation 1 and 2, we have two matrices are equal, implies y minus 25 equal to 8 minus 18. Therefore, y equal to 7. Question number 5. Let A be a real 2 cross 2 matrix such that A to the power 6 is equal to I. where I denotes the identity 2 cross 2 matrix. The total number of possibility for the characteristic polynomial of A is. First, we need to learn the following results in order to solve the question. Result number 1. If A is a square matrix of order n and lambda is indeterminate, then determinant A minus lambda I is known as characteristic polynomial of A in variable lambda. It is denoted by Cx. Result number 2. A polynomial fx is said to be an annihilating polynomial of A if f of A is 0. Result number 3. The monic polynomial of lowest degree which annihilates the matrix A is known as minimal polynomial of A. It is denoted by mx. Result number 4. Minimal polynomial mx of a matrix A is divisor of every annihilating polynomial of A. Result number 5. Minimal polynomial mx of a matrix A is divisor of characteristic polynomial Cx of A. Result number 6. Every root of characteristic equation of A is also the root of minimal equation of A. It is given that matrix A satisfies A to the power 6 equal to I, implies x to the power 6 minus 1 equal to 0 is an annihilating polynomial of A. The degree of minimal polynomial mx of A is at most 2 because A is 2 by 2 matrix and mx divide x to the power 6 minus 1 implies the minimal polynomial mx is either x minus 1, x plus 1, minus 1 times x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 or x square plus x plus 1. The minimal polynomial mx divides the characteristic polynomial Cx and mx and Cx have the same roots. So the possibility for characteristic polynomial Cx must be either x minus 1 square, x plus 1 square, x minus 1 times x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 or x square plus x plus 1. Hence, the total number of possibility for characteristic polynomial Cx is 5. Question number 6. Let K be the field with exactly 7 elements. Let M be the set of all 2 cross 2 matrices with entries in K. How many elements of M are similar to the following matrix 0, 0, 0, 1? First, we need to learn the following results in order to find the solution. Result number 1. 2 square matrix A and B are said to be similar if there exists a non-singular matrix C such that A equal to C inverse BC. Result number 2. If two matrices are similar, then their determinant, characteristic polynomial, trace, eigenvalues, rank, and minimal polynomial are same. It is given that M is the set of all 2 cross 2 matrices over the field with exactly 7 elements. Implies we have to take the elements from M to F7 which are similar to the given matrix 0, 0, 0, 1. Implies we have to take those elements of M to F7 whose determinant is 0 and trace is 1 because the determinant of given matrix is 0 and trace is 1. Take a matrices of the type A, B, C, 1 minus A such that A times 1 minus A equal to BC where A, B, C belongs to F7. We get 56 such type of matrices which are similar to the given matrix. Question number 7. A 3 cross 3 real symmetric matrix M admits 1, 2, 3 transpose and 1, 1 minus 1 transpose as eigenvectors. The transpose of which of the following is surely an eigenvector for M? Choose all the correct options. Option A 1 minus 1 0, option B minus 5 1 1, option C 3 2 1, option D none of the above. The following results are very essential to learn in order to solve the question. Result number 1. A real symmetric matrix is always diagonalizable over the field of real numbers R. Result number 2. Let A be a real symmetric matrix. Suppose U and V are eigenvectors belonging to distinct eigenvalue lambda 1 and lambda 2. Then U and V are orthogonal, that is, inner product of U comma V is 0. Now, take the inner product of 1, -1, 0 with 1, 2, 3, which is equal to -1, which is not equal to 0, implies option A is wrong. Again, take the inner product of -5, 1, 1 with 1, 1, -1, which is equal to -5, which is not equal to 0, implies option B is wrong. Again, take the inner product 3, 2, 1 with 1, 2, 3, which is equal to 10, which is not equal to 0, implies option C is wrong. Therefore, option D is right. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. To get the solution in PDF format, check the description box. Thank you very much.